All right, so to solve this problem, there's just information we need to keep track of everything. So it says you and three friends must survive for 5 days in the Arctic with 14 smoked Slim Jims, right? That's what that first part says. So first of all, we got to figure out how many Slim Jims am I getting, okay? Because then it says after dividing the Slim Jims equally among the four of you, you'll each have the exact same amount, okay? You carefully cut up your portion so that it will last for the entire 5 days. What fraction of a Slim Jim will you eat each day? So first of all, I need to figure out how many Slim Jims I'm getting. Well, there's 14 Slim Jims, and it's split up between five, not five, four people. 14 Slim Jims, let's write this out. 14 Slim Jims split up or divided by four friends. So let's see if I can figure out what that is. 14 over 4. I can reduce that, take out a factor of 2 to 7 halves. Okay. So each person is getting about 3.5, not about, is getting 3.5 Slim Jims. Okay. Each person is getting 3.5 Slim Jims, or 7 halves, either one. If you want to keep it as a fraction, keep it at 7 halves. So now I've figured out what I'm getting. I'm getting 3.5 Slim Jims. I want to know how many portions I get if they're going to be equal to last for 5 days. Okay? So I want to break this up into fifths, right? I have 7 halves. I want to break it up into fifths, or I have 3.5 Slim Jims. I think I'm going to keep it a fraction to make it clear. Okay? So I have 7 halves of a Slim Jim, or 3.5. I need to break it up over 5 days. So how many am I eating each day? So I have 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5. Okay, those are my 5 days. So if I have 1/5 of the 7 halves, that's how much I'm eating each day. 1/5 of 7 halves. That's how much I'm eating each day. Remember, we can rewrite this as multiplication. 1/5 times 7 halves. That equals, we multiply across, 1 times 7 is 7, 5 times 2 is 10. So that means every day of my 5 days, I get 7/10 of a Slim Jim. Okay, 7/10 of a Slim Jim. And I can check that answer if I'm not sure. I'm getting 7/10 every day. Well, I'm there for 5 days. So just in a different color to keep it straight. Well, exactly how much is that? 7/10 times 5 days, right? I can rewrite that as 7/10 times 5 over 1. This is just to check the work. Equals 35. 7 times 5 is 35. 10 times 1 is 10. 35/10. That is the same thing as 3.5. And that is how much I got, right? I started with 3.5 Slim Jims. I'm there for 5 days. What's 1/5 of my 3.5 Slim Jims? It equals 7/10. So what I did in red, just so to confuse anyone, I was just checking my work to make sure that it is, in fact, 7/10 of a Slim Jim every single day. And that is one of the answers. You can see it here, 7/10. Okay. A couple ways to solve this problem, but I wanted to give you this as an example.